All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to sublimate this bear-shaped ornament that is made out of Sublimation MDF. Now, you might think that this is a Christmas ornament and we're past Christmas, but I'm going to show you that really this bear is what I say it is. And today I'm going to call it a coffee bear. I'm going to get rid of the red ribbon that it comes with, and I'm going to be able to sell these all throughout the year. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I did was I printed out my sublimation print and I cut it to about the same size as the bear so as to avoid too much excess. Then we are going to turn it upside down so that the print is closest to the top plate. We're going to make sure that we cover the bear on the top and the bottom with clean copy paper to avoid any ink from transferring to the heat plate or to the orange mat. Alright, now let's talk about time and temperature when it comes to sublimating MDF. MDF likes it low and slow. So normally we sublimate things at about 400 degrees for about 60 seconds. But MDF, it will burn at that temperature, and the smell is not pleasant at all. So when it comes to Sublimation MDF, turn your heat press down. I really like 365 degrees, and I just make sure to add 10 seconds. So normally we press things for 60 seconds. I'm going to press MDF at 70 seconds, and that's going to make up for the fact that I turned the temperature down to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Really, anything higher than that, and you do run the risk of scorching your MDF. Alright, looks like we're just about done. Make sure you put on your heat gloves because MDF will be really, really hot. Let's have a look. Oh, it's so glossy. I really love Sublimation MDF. Now, this was purposely going for the antique look, and I absolutely love it. Let me show you how to customize it even more. Now, we talked about how this bear-shaped ornament comes with a red ribbon. I don't want to add a red ribbon. I just went into my garden stash and pulled out some twine. And I'm going to knot it, and I'm going to actually singe it a little bit because I want the burnt twine look. So I know my twine pretty well. If it'll be the first time for you doing it, just be careful. Have some water near you because twine does ignite rather quickly. I'm just looking for a little bit of a like burnt wood look, and I want this twine to be a little bit blackened to help match the bear. So I just held it kind of near the flame, not in the flame, and blow it out. Just get a little bit more on there, and all I really did was knot it through the hole and get some ember going, and just be sure to blow it out. And that water is just for dipping in afterward. Make sure that it's really out. Make sure nothing is hot. And let's see how this new coffee bear looks. Yeah, I like the look. And imagine this can be done with wine bottles, anything that you can really imagine. Your Christmas ornaments are not just for Christmas. They are what you say they are. Thanks for listening, everyone. If this video helped you out, please give me a thumbs up. See you next time.